We have gathered reviews from all over the internet to bring you a comprehensive expert overview of the Dr.Kbde 12 PC's Fidget Toys Adults Pack. This set includes a variety of fidget toys such as 2 fidget spinners, 6 magnetic rings, 2 roller bike chains, 2 flippy chain fidget toys, and 4 anxiety fidget rings. These toys are designed to help relieve stress and anxiety, improve focus, and provide a quiet outlet for restless hands. They are suitable for children, teens, and adults, including those with ADHD, and can help reduce habits like nail biting, knuckle cracking, and leg shaking. The fidget toys are made from durable, safe, and non-toxic materials, making them safe for all ages and built to withstand frequent use. Their compact size makes them highly portable, so they can be easily carried in a purse, backpack, or even a car, making them perfect for use in various settings such as work, school, travel, or waiting rooms. Users have praised the quality of the fidget rings and the full metal, heavy fidget spinners, noting that these items stand out in terms of feel and performance. The spinner in particular is appreciated for its weight and smooth spinning action, which provides a satisfying tactile experience. Many users with ADHD have found these toys helpful for maintaining focus and managing stress, with some reporting that they continue to purchase replacements as they tend to lose them frequently. While some of the included items vary in quality, the overall value is considered good for the price. The set offers a diverse range of fidget toys, which keeps users engaged with different textures and motions. Some of the less popular items, such as the black roller bike chains, received mixed feedback, with some users unsure of their purpose, but still appreciating their look and feel. Children have also enjoyed these fidget toys, finding them entertaining and unique. Parents have noted that the toys are durable and fun for kids aged 7 and up. The set makes a thoughtful gift for birthdays, classroom prizes, party favors, and holiday stocking stuffers, appealing to a wide range of users who benefit from sensory stimulation and stress relief. In summary, the Dr.Kbde 12 PC's Fidget Toys Adults Pack is a versatile and effective collection of sensory toys that serve well for stress relief, focus enhancement, and quiet play. The combination of durable materials, portability, and variety makes it a worthwhile purchase for individuals seeking to manage anxiety or simply keep their hands busy in a constructive way. If you have this product, please leave a review in the comments to help others make informed decisions. The product link is in the description to support the channel and provide easy access for those interested.